This video was sponsored by Ring. Oh, hi, I didn't see you there. Okay, so hello. This is my studio tour. This is the office, my studio. This is where I close my door. Basically, the room that we're in right now has been ever so shifting. I feel like that's kind of a common occurrence with this whole entire studio itself. Everything is shifting. Nothing's been in the same place for more than a week. So as it stands right now, we have this couch here. Now we also have this wonderful now over here we have a plant. His name is Raja. Is it him? She? Him, she, they?
Doesn't matter.
It's a plant, Raja.
We haven't asked.
Yeah.
But also, Raja can't answer.
Not trying to assume, but also like, it's a plant. This is Jake's desk. He edits things here, like this. Basically, like this is where all of the products that we've, tried to experiment with, we haven't exactly figured out yet. Dino, I think I named him Jeff.
Dino brand?
Dino, oh. This is a bunch of random stuff. It's storage, if you will. I feel like everything's storage here. And then coming over here, we have this piece of art that Jacob made. I think my favorite thing about this is that Jake got naked to basically make this piece of art.
It's true.
This right here is my camera. I think I named it Fred. It's been a while, but I think it's Fred. This is our newly built media station counter. Yeah. This is our TV. Also, I'm sick, so if I sound sick, I'm sick. This is our TV. It's 55 inches and 4K and OLED, not to flex. These are my pumpkins. This one's Einstein, this one's Dahmer, and that one is Nikola Tesla. I don't know why that one's a serial killer, but it is. Here, we like to play games when we're not doing work. So we have TV, and then we have this handy dandy here, which we play a lot of and my favorite game, just there, yeah. This is our Wi-Fi router. It's by they charge way too much for Wi-Fi, but I don't have an option. Hi, yeah, so quick ad break. This video is sponsored by Ring. They were dope enough to provide me with a Ring Video Doorbell 2 for this spot, and honestly, it's kind of changed my paranoid life. As you can probably tell right now, I'm not in my usual setting. I'm not even in the country. I'm about 3,539 miles away from my office in the United Kingdom, but using this here Ring app, I can check who's outside of my office door at any time I want. Now I also have my doorbell set up to notify me anytime there's motion in front of my door about 5 to 15 feet away from it. Also, when anyone comes to my door and wants to get in contact with me, they push that little bell, I get notified, and I can speak to them 2 ways. Especially this time of year with all the packages coming to my door for the holiday season, I want to know who's coming to my door, who's in front of my door, who's possibly stealing my packages. Hopefully they're not stealing my packages. But also hypothetically, if someone comes to my door and wants to know where to leave a package safely, I can talk to them right through the app no matter where I am in the world, and we're good. So I think I can very easily say that the Ring Video Doorbell has 100% made my life so much easier dealing with packages, dealing with people outside of my door. It's great. So thank you so much to Ring for sponsoring this video. Make sure to go to the link right here or in the description to go check out the Amazon Ring and make your holiday season just a little bit safer. And with that, let's get back into it. This is where my this is where my dog sleeps.
This is where Jake sleeps.
This is where Jake sleeps. This is our whiteboard. I basically stole it from Marquez, so that's why the set for the intro is still on this bad boy. But it's kind of wobbly, mostly because I didn't have the tools to correctly put it together. So this is our table. This is where we put things and boxes like the that I'm giving away. Link in bio for that video. Oh wait, it's probably already done by this point, but still, link in bio because, yeah. This is a Tomatone. I have become quite a master, a prodigy, if you will. My SoundCloud link will be in the bio. Coming further this way, also our windowsills are becoming more more storage because we don't have storage yet because I don't have a car that's big enough to pick up the storage for my more storage. Our couch cushions because we don't believe in having the cushions on the couch. And then this is my desk. You can tell because there's a coffee cup that is almost done. There's a coffee cup that is done. We have Rook Coffee, not sponsored, just Jake. This is my. This is where I make things. This is a stabilizer with a 3G on it because why not, you know? This room is even more of a storage bin than the other room. We have random lights. We have a jib. We have. I'm sort of trying to turn this into a set. I think I posted a photo somewhat recently with this set. Yeah, this is my favorite color right here. This is basically Tiffany, almost Tiffany, kind of Tiffany, pretty much Tiffany. Then we have a yellow scroll and a gray scroll, depending on, you know. Make sure you got my good angle, Jake. Thanks. And then bright ass light, boom, TV. We call her Karen. And then our jib, and then more storage, and then guns. We play a lot of here. We have oh come. We have a sculpture bag filled with bullets. It's not completely. It could be worse, but it also could be better. So this space is very modular. Thank you, Jake.
It's way too dark.
So this space is very sexy and very modular sexy. Thank you for getting my good angle, Jake. This is my couch cushion. These are also my couch cushions. We replace them sometimes to match the mood. And then this is a blanket for when I get cold, which is often because it's cold as fuck in here. This video is sponsored by Ring. Oh wait, actually no, that has to come in the beginning, so let's make that an ad break. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Maybe this is us talk. Like if we include this in the video, maybe it'll be funny.
Yeah.
Maybe they'll laugh.
I think the title
I'll probably include this in the video too.
The title of this video is Maybe It'll Be Funny.
So yeah, these are my things. I like them. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Autofocus. Jeez. I decided to focus on the wall. Thought it was more important than you.
Story of my life. But yeah, these are my things that I love and treasure for the rest of my life. Shut up, computer. Go find a place to sleep because my nose is stuffed and I'm tired as shit. So thank you for joining along on this studio tour. I probably won't be updating because not much will be changing, except from the occasional I'm gonna move this desk 3 feet to fit something else in the crevice. Also, this is my wet grass rug. It's wet and grassy. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.